What's up, guys? Welcome back with another video. So I got something pretty cool in store for us. I ordered some new parts for the GTR, and it's not for anything on the exterior, but it is for something on the interior. So let's get to it real quick. And yes, I know the GTR is a little dirty. I haven't had time to wash it, so I'll go ahead and get that done soon too. But for now, let's focus on the new pieces I got. So what we're doing today is we're installing new carbon fiber pieces. I got a carbon piece for the center right there, a new carbon piece for the stereo, and a carbon piece for the screen. And I also just pre-installed this. It's not glued on there yet. Just kind of test fitted it to see what it looks like, and yeah, so far so good. And here's my co-pilot, my girlfriend, and she's gonna help me install these parts. It's honestly not even that hard. It already comes with 3M tape. You just have to remove it, align it correctly, and that's pretty much it. So I don't think I'm gonna show a step-by-step on how to do it because it is pretty straightforward, but for now, let's go ahead and get these pieces on there. But I will show you guys piece by piece. So first, let's go ahead and start with this one, and then we'll move on to this one, and then just go from there. Sorry for the mess, but one thing I do recommend is to just wipe off all that dirt. If you do have little alcohol pads, then that would work as well, probably even better, just to kind of knock off all that grease. But for now, I'm gonna just go ahead and install it, and I'm gonna peel half of it off and then stick it, and then just peel the rest off if it's possible like that. So I try to get it to stick without the alcohol, and it would just kind of keep lifting up like over here and right here on the side. So I'm gonna just give it a quick wipe with some alcohol and some cotton balls and see how it works. Okay, so for sure, don't try to half-ass it like I did. Go ahead and use some alcohol and a cotton ball, wipe it down, and then try to stick it, and you'll get better results. I think that looks pretty clean. It's pretty lined up. So let's get on to the next piece, which is right here. I'm gonna just wipe it down with some more alcohol and then keep it going. So I kind of ran into a situation. I was trying to fit this little piece on there, but as you can see, there's like a little button right here. If anyone knows what that is, please comment below, because I don't know what the hell that is. But what I might end up having to do is cut the edge just a little bit just to get it to fit perfectly on there. But yeah, tell me what that is, because I really don't know what the hell that shit is. I'm gonna skip this piece and move on to the screen, and then I'll do this piece after that. All right, so as of right now, I got the second piece installed. I'd say it looks pretty good. Fitment is a 9 out of 10, close to a 10 out of 10, maybe 9.5. What you think? Yeah, it looked good. So instead of doing this one next, I'm gonna hold off on that. I'm gonna do the steering wheel, and then I'll do that one. So with this piece installed, I really wish that it covered like the inside part of the screen right here, but it's all good. It honestly looks way better than it did before. It does cover most of the scratches that were on there. So, I mean, I think it looks pretty good, but yeah. All right, guys, so that one was pretty easy. I had to readjust it a few times, but it is on there, and I think it looks pretty sick. For sure changed the way the steering wheel looks. Now, let's move on to this one. You could tell the difference for sure. This one's kind of faded compared to this one and that one and this one. So let's do that next, and then I'm gonna try to get this one in there. Went ahead and got this one removed. As you could tell, it's way different material from the one that I ordered. I do like this one better, but since it's already kind of faded and stuff, might as well just replace it. But they use that type of 3M tape, so now I have to remove it with the alcohol. I'm gonna try to remove as much as I can. Not sure if I'm gonna remove it all, but either way, I think it'll stick to this one, and then we'll get this one on there. Thank you, babe. Hey guys, so as of right now, I was able to get it cut. It's not perfect, but when you place it in there, you can't even notice. It looks pretty good. So let's go ahead and get that installed. But as of right now, we got that installed. We're about to install that. I got that one applied. Got that and that. I wasn't able to get all that glue off, but I got most of it off. Thanks to my girlfriend, she helped me out. But let's go ahead and get that one installed, and then that's all the carbon for today. I will order more pieces like this side, the ones for the door and stuff like that, but just give it some time. We'll get there. All right, guys, so we're all finished up here. As you can see, it looks very nice. Nice and clean, and then this one looks real good. I like how that looks down there for sure, and I like how this lines up with that. I think that looks tight. But It was a pretty quick and easy install. Once again, all you have to do is just peel off the tape in the back and stick it on there, use some alcohol, and that's about it. So, hell yeah. Alright guys, so that's gonna be the end of this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Once again, I'll bring more content in the future whenever I get more parts. I'm gonna try to order parts soon and we'll make a video out of it. So yeah, catch you guys on the next one. Peace.